we signed up for a soft opening invite for a Lazy Dog, new restaurant here in Kissimmee, 192. You go check it out. Very good things about this place. Okay, here we go. Let's go check it out.
Come on in.
All right, here is Lazy Dog menu. And just to throw a curveball, they give us different menus too. Each person here, our server said the actual regular menu is a book. They have a lot of offering. It's part of the decor in here. It's nice. Very rustic. Okay, so Lazy Dog, good deal. It was nice. It was we had a free entree today for everybody that attended the soft opening. Much appreciated. Very nice. The grand opening is July 26th. If you're in the neighborhood, Kissimmee, Irlo, Bronson, out on 192, stop in. Very good food. Got a lot of food. Very tasty. They have all homemade sauces too. Delicious food. Come on out.